was using the snowblower, and I wasn't even 5 feet away from these guys right by the porch, and the Cooper's hawk right in front of me tried to get a Junco. Wish I had the camera, but I was too busy trying to work the controls of the machine, so didn't get a picture of it. But would have been interesting. I might even have. I normally film the tractor for a forum I'm on, and I would have had it too. I wish I would have now, but no. But here you go, guys. A little bit of the birdie action. I don't want to get. They need to eat, so I'm not going down to get a better shot off the porch. I'm gonna let them eat though, as they can. So they're wasting a lot of energy flying back and forth. So I'd rather them eat.